Hey guys, today in front of me is an excellent gadget to be, if you ask me. Excellent in the terms that even though it is an RGB LED strip, but the good thing about is that not only you can control it with your app, that you can pair it with this light from your mobile device, but it has a built-in mic. So what happens is that when there is music or anything or any sound, the RGB lights turn on and off based on the pattern of the light, which is obviously really amazing for me. I mean, if I have to think of the usages that you can take advantage of it, is that you can, for example, paste these multiple LED strips behind the TV, and when the sound of the movie is coming out, the RGB lights will be illuminated based on the sound pattern, which looks really cool when the TV is turned on in the dark environment. In the car, if it is pasted there, because there is a double tape inside it, so you can paste it anywhere you would like. And when there is music inside the car, your LEDs, RGB LEDs will turn on accordingly, which I think would look really good. Or you can even use it inside a studio where you hear music. You will be able to see the light pattern, and I think it will look really cool. So let me open it up and show you, because it is one thing to talk about it and it is another thing to actually show you how it looks and feels. So when I looked at it, I thought it's a really good thing, and it costed me around $6. So $5 to $6, you can easily get it in $5 to $6. It charges by USB Type C. It's I think more than 1.1 meter, or at least 1 meter of Type C cable. Then what else do we have? Uh, there you we have the double tape, so that you can paste this strip anywhere you would like, the user manual, and then there is a base as well, so you can put it on the base if you would like it to stand like this. So let me turn it on and show you how it adapts based on my patterns. So as you can see, when I am speaking, the pattern adapts. So if I speak slowly, it is a different pattern. So if I speak loudly, it is again a different pattern. And I think I haven't integrated it with my mobile device, but it can be paired with an app on your mobile device, and you can change the pattern based on that, or you can change the colors completely from the app. It is totally up to you. Again, the best scenario about this one, the best use case with this one, is that you can use it behind a TV or along with the music in your car or a studio, which I think will look really cool. And again, even like this, it looks really nice to me. So I think it is totally, definitely worth the $5 that it costs. It has a built-in battery, integration with the app to control it from your mobile phone, and built-in mic to control, adapt to the RGB lighting based on the sound. And also the light itself looks really cool. I mean, when you look at it, it does not feel cheap or anything. So, and also it charges by Type C. Most lights will come with the micro USB. So I think it's really good. I mean, I really like it. It depends on the taste of the person looking at the gadget, but I do definitely like it. So I'm happy that I ordered it, and I will probably order some more to use them, to pair them with my TV. And yeah, there are more expensive lights to pair them with TV, but they cost a lot. And this I think 4 or 5 will be sufficient to put behind my TV to give it very colorful look when there is news or music or movie playing in the TV. So I will leave the link to buy this one in my video description for anyone interested. And please share your feedback if you are using something like this or something better. And take great care of yourself. Bye.